YouTube, what is up? Bearded Yakin here, and we got another tool haul. Father's Day edition. Give me 1 second. Cheers. Thank my boy Dean over at Evans Auto Repair for keeping my beer cold while I drink it. So what we got? We got a Harbor Freight tool haul, and this is what the wife and kids got me for Father's Day. Number one, I'm running out of nitro gloves, so they grabbed me a pack of these. Medium's a little bit tighter, but hey, what the hell? 7 mil. That's all I care about. I can squeeze my fat hand into some medium gloves. That's one item. Don't mind the mess. It's all mess from working on the water pump for the power washer. Give me 1 second. Number two, got my freebie microfiber cleaning cloths. I go through these like it's nothing, you know. But anyway, they were free, so I'll take the cheapies. Number three, now I went in there specifically for one fucking thing, and that was the full set of impact sockets, but they were all out, so I had to settle for these shallow ones here. It's the 1/2-inch drive, 10-piece set for like $13 or so. Yeah, you know, I don't care. Now what really got to me was the fact that Harbor Freight did not have a Father's Day coupon. If they did, I never got one. But they had a Mother's Day coupon. Now that's a little fucked up. You know what I mean? But anyway, we ain't done yet. We're going to pause this here video. As you can see, we're going to pause this video here in like maybe 4 seconds, or after I'm done yapping the jaws. So we got one big item, one expensive item left to show. You know what I mean? So let's just get down to it. We're going to pause this video right about now, and we'll be back in a second. And we're back, guys, and that's what we got. New shop stool. It's nice. It's already out of the box. And I'll show you guys in another video when I do the actual review on it. But so far, it's been good for me. Anyway, let's get back to the bench. And we're back. And, you know, this is Thursday, by the way. Little late to do a Father's Day Harbor Freight tool haul. But what the hell? I had shit to do. Quick update. I have not messed around with the pump since the last update video on the water pump problem. I'm going to wait until I order the part. So that way, as soon as the part comes in, I can reassemble. You know what I mean? And I'm going to go ahead and order the seals and all that shit. But we'll figure it all out until then. Hang on a second. Bearded Yakking here. And that is all I got for you folks. Like, comment, subscribe. And we are signing off. Cheers, my brothers. You know what I mean?